Hey everybody, we've got a one pan dish coming up here tonight. We've got leg quarters, chicken leg quarters on top of, those are black-eyed peas, dried black-eyed peas underneath, a full bag of them. So I filled the pan up with water to cook those black-eyed peas underneath that chicken. And I'm just resting the chicken on top of that with some good bold and smoky barbecue sauce, as well as some garlic salt and a little bit of that turmeric and a little black pepper. Just going to put these in the oven at 355. And yes, I am going to put a foil tent over the top for the first 40 minutes or so, and then I'll take that off for the last 15 to 20 minutes just to let that top brown up. Oh man, is that good. I'll tell you guys, what you do is cook this for about 40 minutes, take off the foil tent, and cook it for about another 15-20 minutes at 355, and then turn off the heat and just let this sit in there for an hour. Let all the juices from the chicken absorb into those black-eyed peas. Of course, they're also taking on some flavor from the barbecue sauce and garlic salt. And that meat in the chicken is just as juicy. Is that good? Hey, you guys, post your comments below. Do you like the one-pan wonder dishes? I sure do. And thanks for watching.